What's up? What's up? What's up, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O.Bennett. Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about concentrating on the yeses. Concentrate. Oh, hold on, guys. It's my phone. My daughter's in the hospital. Give me 1 second. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Is this really Marlon O'Bennett?
Yeah, this is Marlon O.Bennett.
Oh, hi. My name is Tina, and I saw a presentation of you talking about lead lightning.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Lead,
Just have some questions, actually.
lead lightning. Yeah, lead lightning. You've seen the presentation. It's funny because I'm actually doing a video right now about it. I'm going to upload to YouTube. What's your question?
Wow. You're really awesome. Well, I have a few questions, but one thing I want to know is, can I really generate leads relatively quickly using the system?
Right. Yeah. I mean, seriously, you can. The system doesn't lie, right? That's why we call it lead lightning. You can start generating leads within less than 15 minutes after you actually get the funnel.
Wow. I already promote another business. Can I also use lead lightning to promote my business too?
Oh, hey, you asking all the right questions. You must have read through the whole page. Actually, the way we got lead lightning design, it doesn't matter whether you're promoting something else or not. You can just plug it right into the funnel and it actually goes out and promotes both your business and the lead lightning sales funnel at the same time.
Wow. I mean, when I saw your video, I got so excited. I was really like amazed. But tell me, is it true that it's just a one-time $7 payment for the system?
Yeah, and if you were on the page before, I'm gonna after I finish doing this video, I'm actually gonna upload it to my server and put it on the sales page. But by the time if you are on the sales page, you'll see that it's just a one-time payment of $7 for the funnel. That's it, just a one-time payment of $7. Now I do have to tell you that as you go through the funnel, you'll see that if you want to optimize it, there are I won't even call them upsells. There are just there's a couple of other products that you can get that this actually going to be able to make you even more money using this funnel. But the $7 lead lightning, that's just $7 one time.
Wow. So I have a choice whether I want to upsell or not.
Well, yeah, but you have to just once you get into the system and you pick up the funnel, you're gonna be able to go through the entire funnel. You'll see the whole presentation, the same presentation that you'll actually be able to get 100% access to if you decide. But the premier product in there is the lead lightning automated list building sales funnel, and that's just a one-time $7 payment.
That's wonderful. How long does it take to get set up?
Wow. You can set this thing up 15 minutes, maybe 20, maybe 10. I don't know.
Really? Even if a person's not really as computer savvy as you are?
No, I'm not computer savvy. Oh, trust me, okay? 2 years ago I couldn't even check my emails. So it has. No, yeah.
No, I doubt that.
No.
So professional and
No,
everything.
I'm serious. I did, and I don't know if you've been on any of my videos. You hear me always saying a couple of years ago, I just immersed myself in internet marketing. I became a student of the game of internet marketing, and I just was able to basically teach myself a lot of things. But anyway, I don't want to get off course. I'm sorry. I hope I answered your question, right? I'm actually this video I'm doing is actually being recorded because I was just going to do a video. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll find something to do with it. I'll find some way to use it. Maybe I'll put it in one of the sales pages just to I don't know, but either way, is that it though? Is that all the only question?
No. Well, actually, I don't want to keep you, but I just have a couple more questions. You also mentioned $6 commissions on every $7 sale I make.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yes. I tell you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do two things. First, I'm going to answer that question and say yes. It is every time you share this funnel with other people, and everybody who's doing business on the internet, by the way, is a potential prospect because it's all about generating leads and doing it fast. So everybody who's doing business on the internet or not is a potential prospect. But what happens is as you present this sales funnel to other internet marketers, they pay the one-time $7, and you get $6 commission on that every time they do.
That's incredible.
That's incredible. It is. Wow. It's the coolest thing. We got it designed so it creates buyers for your list. And I don't know if you know this, but I said a lot in my videos that a lot of people don't know that a customer, a $7 customer, is more likely to purchase is 100 times more likely actually to purchase $1,000 product from you than a free subscriber.
Yes, I do remember you saying that.
I mean, you know what I'm
I
saying?
follow you
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
very
yeah,
much
yeah.
because all of your videos are they're so real, they're so relatable. You know, where do I sign up?
Okay, sign up. Look at the bottom of the page. Well, you're not on it, but what I'll do is going to shoot you an email with my sales page, and what you do at the very bottom, you'll see at the very bottom of the sales page it says $7, and you just go there and you just pay, and you should have your system within 5 or 10 minutes, if not sooner than that. And once you're inside, you're gonna. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. So that's amazing.
Yeah, you'll see once you get inside. It's gonna walk you. The tutorial is gonna walk you through the whole process, and I think the entire thing takes 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? You'll be up, ready to go in 15 minutes. And of course, if when you get to the page, you'll see we got all kinds of ad sources inside. We got a contact management. We got an autoresponder. If you're not familiar with all that stuff, whether you are or not, it doesn't matter. Shoot me an email real quick, right? When you get to your computer at ismarlonobennett@gmail.com. That's ismarlonobennett@gmail.com. And when I get your email, I'll send you a link with the sales page. How's that?
That is wonderful. So it's ITS
Mm-hmm.
MARLON
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
OBENNETT at gmail.com.
At gmail.com. Oh, yes.
I'm so grateful to you.
Okay.
I have just one last request.
What is that?
I know this is going to sound whatever, silly, but can you say that prosperity thing that you say?
I'm sorry?
You always say something about prosperity.
Oh. I'm sorry. I
know it sounds silly, but I love it, you know?
Yeah, well, that's how I end all my videos. Anyway, and I have to end this video now anyway. Guys, we're going to use this for something. Anyway, I hope you guys got a lot of great information out of this. We'll come back to do the video I was supposed to do today at a later date. But just use this. This is cool. This is your boy, Marlon O.Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom. Oh, I'm sorry. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hey, what's your name? What is your name?
Hi, I'm Tina.
Okay, Tina. I'm sorry. Make sure you shoot me the email, okay?
Sure